Hey friends, on today's adventure, we're headed to Dollywood's DreamMore Resort and Spa in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. On this video, we're going to break down what the room is like specifically. We're going to show you in a whole nother video a much more thorough breakdown of the hotel as a whole, all the pools, the spa, everything that it has to offer. But in this one, we're going to jump right to what are the rooms like. And as you come into the hallway for your room, you can see Dolly's records up on the wall, quotes and such. So you can see all these butterflies throughout the hotel. We're headed to a standard room. This is a king with bunk bed we're gonna take a look at. In the hallway you have a standard ice machine, soda machine. So let's continue on down the hallway and take a look at this room. All right, let's check out our room. As you walk in, you got some hooks here. You can hang up things, and then you walk right into the bathroom. You can see here the shower. Got these on the wall here. Pretty good sized shower.
You've got your hair dryer here, some extra towels, nice sink, and this little storage area for your stuff.
And then a separate closed door bathroom. You also even have a fancy little DreamMore logo on your teepee.
Right behind you, you've got a full-length mirror.
Yep. Hello. So there's a door. If you got two rooms, you could adjoin them together. And then you have little area here, kind of like a little mud room area. It's open. You could put some stuff down here in the drawers. A laundry bag.
You got your hangers, some extra blankets, ironing board.
Yep, you got a little place here. It's just good to sit, put your shoes on or whatever. We're storing some of our stuff. So as you come in here to the room, this is a king bedroom. And we have a little bunk bed over here, two twin beds. And then you've got these lamps that all say Dream on it. Got some, looks like some USB plugs here on your little side alarm.
Everything is very Dolly themed with butterflies and dreaming. And even your little door hanger that you put on says dreaming more when you don't want to be disturbed.
How's the view from up there?
Good.
Good. Is it comfy?
Yes.
All right. So coming on over here, you can see this is a view of, oh, look at that. You got this great Smoky Mountains over here, and then you can also see some of the water park over here. So this is a little view out the front here. You see here the lamps have the little DreamMore logo. Got some guitar artwork. Everything is very colorful in the room. Got a little coffee machine here. All right, and then we have, looks like a postcard here. Yep, you got a little complimentary Dolly postcard from the DreamMore. You can do this little breakfast order, so you can say what time you want breakfast delivered. Oh, and you can do, you can also order some cinnamon bread. Got a whole menu here. You got this wireless phone, which is kind of abnormal. Normally you always have the cords.
It's kind of cool. Got your bagged remote, freshly sanitized.
Yeah.
And your Bible. Everything you need.
So looking here at the TV, this was kind of interesting. They have these over here USB plugins. You also got an HDMI plug-in, Bluetooth, and looks like a headset, or I guess you could play music from your phone. Over here on the side, your little luggage guy here. And then over here, you got your safe under the TV. Again, lots of storage. You got your ice doohickey. I don't know, bucket? Ice bucket. Yeah, it's a bucket. And then you got
a little fridge.
Little fridge.
Cool.
Not gigantic, but you can definitely stick some water bottles or kombucha in my case here. And yeah, one more little drawer here. So there's a look at the TV. What is that, like a 37-inch TV, I think?
So when you check in, they give you this pamphlet and it has everything you need in it. This is your TV guide, the pantry menu, the poolside dining menu, lounge bites menu. You've got your in-room dining if you want to do some room service, song and hearth, for children, family, breakfast, dessert, drink. So all your menus are there. You can just scan them with your phone. And then you've got just a little bit about the resort and also your resort amenities and schedule. So this is where you can see.
So yeah, today is Friday, so we can see they're gonna do s'mores roasting later. We can go over with the kids. All the activities, every day there's something, and every week it changes. So we got a little schedule in here.
And then you've got your room service menu. So if you are tired and just kind of feel like staying in, you can order anything you want, from chili cheese fries to chicken tenders, pizza, sandwiches, even a nice glass of wine at the end of the day, and breakfast as well.
The other thing I want to point out is the ceilings are really high. You definitely don't feel like you're stuffed in here. It's especially as you walk up to the windows, you have this beautiful, beautiful view of the Smoky Mountains. And so having these nice big ceilings, you feel like you have lots of room in here. All right, so that kind of wraps up our review of this room. If there's anything that we didn't cover in this video, let us know and we'll do our best to answer. Otherwise, hope you have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey, we'd love to have you on the next adventure, so hit that subscribe button as we cover the Great Smoky Mountains and beyond. Check out this other video right here too.